video, we'll speak about what is Hawala or what is informal value transfer system. We will talk about what is the origin of Hawala system, why it is so favorite of money launderer, or why it is one of the favorite method of money laundering, and we also look at a detailed example of a Hawala transfer. If you're watching this video or you are on a channel for the first time, please subscribe for more videos on email and KYC concepts. And if you have any questions or feedback, please share your comments. So let's understand what is Hawala. Hawala or informal value transfer system is often associated with Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Hawala generally involves transfer of money outside the legitimate banking system and are based on trust. The Hawala systems are referred to by different name depending upon country. Hawala and an Arabic word meaning change and transform. Hundi, a Hindi word meaning collect. Chop shop banking uh, is in China. Poi Kwan is in Thailand. Hawala was created in centuries ago in India and China before Western financial systems were established to facilitate the secure and convenient movement of funds. So merchant wishing to send money to their homeland would deposit them with the Hawala broker who normally owned a trading business for a small fee. It can be a 2% or 1% depending upon the amount. The Hawala dealer would arrange for the fund to be made available for withdrawal from another Hawala dealer, normally also a trader in another country. The Hawala dealer would settle account through the normal process of trade. Now let's understand why Hawala transactions are so attractive among immigrant and visiting worker and also among money launderers. So it is one of the cheaper way to transfer money because the transfer charges are less and conversion rate is much better than a formal banking system. Non-availability of formal banking system in the receiving location, faster movement, money transfer and no income or limited income proof which is required. So there is usually no physical movement of currency or and a lack of formality with regard to verification and record keeping. It is also very attractive for launderers because it leave little or no paper trail as detail of customer who will receive the fund are communicated to the receiving broker via telephone, fax or email. And recently, authorities have been observing the use of advanced internet technology by Hawala dealer and other similar agents, leaving no manual accounting entry behind. Now let's understand the whole Hawala transactions in more detail. Now let's say Mr. X from country A want to transfer money to Mr. Y, who can be his relative or associate or anybody for that matter. So in this case, Mr. X will reach out to a Hawala dealer in his country, that is country A. He would pay small fee, it can be 2% or 1% depending upon the amount. The money transfer take place by the coded information that is passed through chits, courier, letter, faxes, email, text message, or online chat system followed by some form of telecommunication confirmation. Almost any document that carries an identifiable number can be used by receiver to pick up the value in other country. So in this example, let's say the code would be XXX1234. Now, once Hawala dealer in country A have received money from Mr. X, he will reach out to another Hawala dealer in country B and share the same code, that is XXX1234. The the two Hawala dealer would settle account through the normal process of trade, and now Mr. Y in country B can get the money from Hawala dealer in country B by showing the code, that is again XXX1234. So that is all about Hawala transaction. So when the Hawala dealer receive cash, he can deposit the cash in bank account. He will justify these deposit to bank official as proceed of legitimate business, and he may also use some of the cash received by to pay for his business expense, reducing his need to deposit the cash into the bank account. Hawala transactions are also attractive to terrorist financer because they, unlike formal financial institutions, are not consistently subject to formal government oversight and are not required to keep detailed record in standard form. However, you should keep in mind Hawala system is illegal and anyone indulge in the transaction will be prosecuted by the government. Thank you for your time today, and please subscribe for more email and KYC video. Thank you. Bye.